Okay guys, today we're going to go over a presentation over prepositional phrases and prepositions. Do you guys remember yesterday what prepositions were?
Yeah.
Okay, who can tell me what prepositions were? Yes.
Up.
Huh?
Up.
Yeah, that's a preposition. Yeah, that's one of the prepositions. Another preposition? Somebody?
Down.
Down, yeah.
Beside.
Beside.
Before.
Before. Yes.
Beneath.
Yeah. Do you guys remember what was the definition of preposition? No?
No.
Okay, so we're going to go over that in this presentation, okay? Preposition. Okay, it's going to take a while. Preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other word in the sentence. Please take note of this. Please write this in your notes. The definition of preposition. Does somebody know what a noun is? Yes? Person, place, or thing? Okay. Now, does somebody remember what a pronoun is? Something that describes a noun. Very good. Did you guys already write this?
Yes.
Okay, this is an example of a prepositional phrase. The baseball player in the white shirt hit a home run. What's actually in the color red is the prepositional phrase. Do you guys know which of these four words is a preposition? Raise your hand. Yes.
White.
No. Try again.
In.
Yes. In is a preposition. The prepositional phrase always begins where the preposition is, and we're going to learn a little bit more about it. Okay, so that's an example of a prepositional phrase. In is a preposition, and that's a preposition object, okay? White is a preposition object. Preposition, a word that shows okay, I already read that, sorry. Okay, these are examples of prepositional phrases. If you guys want go ahead and write them down on your notes. Everybody read it with me. Ready?
On her boat.
What preposition is it?
On.
What's a preposition object? Do you guys know?
Boat.
Boat, yes. Ready? Together.
In a house.
House. What's the preposition?
In.
What's the preposition
House.
object?
House.
Ready again.
Near the goat.
What's the preposition?
Near.
And the helper?
Goat. Under a mouse.
What's the preposition?
Under.
What's the object?
Mouse. Before noon.
What's the preposition?
Before.
Okay.
During class.
Preposition?
During. About a goon.
Preposition?
About. Without a hat.
What's the preposition?
Without.
Good. Object of the preposition. Okay? Every prepositional phrase has a preposition and the object of the preposition. The noun or pronoun that ends a prepositional phrase. That is the object. Okay? Okay, so remember this sentence? The baseball player in the white shirt hit a home run. Okay, so in the white shirt is the object. Okay? Shirt object? Object of the preposition. That's the definition again. Did you guys write it down?
Yes.
Okay, if you guys didn't, go ahead and write it. So you guys, remember we read this just earlier before when we were describing a preposition. However, the preposition was underlined. Now these are the same little phrases. However, the preposition object is now underlined, which we already said when we were reviewing the prepositions. Any questions up to now? No? Prepositional phrase always begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Write that in your notes, please. Look up when you're done. Okay. Write sentences for these prepositional phrases. Ready? Let's go ahead and have this table do like a chipmunk, but you need to add the prepositional phrase, okay? You need to add one. Alright? The table in the back, you're gonna do after the campfire. You need to do you need to add a prepositional phrase to this one, okay? And the girls that are right behind you do the same thing, okay? Add a prepositional phrase. And the group in the back, go ahead and do by a shimmering waterfall. You need to add a prepositional phrase, okay? Because you're gonna read it to me right now. Okay? If you want to go ahead and sit right there so you can share with them. You guys have one? Yeah? Okay. We're going to share it right now, okay? So make sure you write it down. Do you guys have one? No? Okay, think of one. Remember of the common preposition? Huh? You guys are doing after the campfire, yes. So remember the common prepositions I had on the board yesterday? Yes? We're going to use those. So think of what preposition we can use with that phrase. Okay? You two girls, do you guys have one ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to read it out loud. Let me just check it. Okay. You girls, you guys have one? Was that in the board yesterday? Remember the common prepositions? Was that there? Okay. Okay, first group, read me your preposition with like a chipmunk.
Like a chipmunk on a tree.
Okay, do you guys know what what preposition was used in that sentence? On, very good. Okay.
After the campfire was over.
After the campfire was over. So what's your prepositional phrase?
Over.
Over. Okay, but what's the whole phrase? That's preposition. What's the whole prepositional phrase? After the campfire. Okay. Next. What was your your add-on to the after the campfire?
By a shimmering waterfall, there's a cave under the waterfall.
What's your preposition?
Under.
Under, and what's your whole phrase? Prepositional phrase.
Under the waterfall.
Under the waterfall. Very good. Did you guys do one?
Yes.
Yes. What's your sentence?
I was walking beside a shimmering waterfall.
Read it again.
I was walking beside a shimmering waterfall.
What's your preposition?
Beside
Besides, what's your prepositional phrase?
a shimmering waterfall.
No, it needs to start, remember, it starts with your preposition and it ends with a noun or pronoun. So, besides a shimmering waterfall. So what would be your prepositional phrase? It would be all of this. Okay? Alrighty. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. I will give you a list right now of all the prepositions and the common prepositions we went over yesterday. Like the slide says, you must memorize the and all the prepositions, okay? If there is no object of the preposition, if the preposition is not part of a phrase, then it's not a preposition. It is an adverb, okay? How many of you guys know what an adverb is? Yes, what is it? Somebody know what an adverb? What's a verb?
An action.
So what's an adverb? Yes.
To describe an action.
Yes. Okay. You see these? Which one of these three is the actual preposition? Which one of these sentences has a prepositional phrase? Raise your hand if you know which one. Yes, which one is it?
The gecko climbs up on the wall.
Why do you think that's a prepositional phrase?
Because it seems more full.
Okay. What's the definition of the prepositional phrase?
The gecko climbs.
No, she was actually correct. This is an adverb. The gecko climbs up on the wall. So this is a preposition. And remember, if it's a prepositional phrase, it begins with a preposition and it ends with a
Pronoun.
yes. Okay. So let's identify the prepositional phrases on these. Number one, the paper with a blue border exploding through the air. Whoops. Where is the preposition on the first one? Yes.
Through.
Through. No. I went to the next slide, sorry. Well, yeah, there's two prepositional phrases. Through the air and with the blue border. With is also a preposition. So these are the answers for the other two. Jordan's eyes sparkle like a sunny day. What is the preposition there? Like. Like is a preposition, and what's day?
A pronoun.
The prepositional object. This one, with great ease, Michael jumped up on the table. What's the preposition?
Table.
The preposition is with. And then this is the object. And then this is the second preposition. On the table. On is the preposition and table is the object. Okay. Let's see. Is it an adverb or a preposition? The tadpoles are below the surface of the pond. Are those adverbs or prepositions? Do you guys remember?
Preposition.
Yes? Yes, they are. What about I jumped up and Amy jumped down?
Preposition.
Yes. Is Taylor near?
Preposition. No.
Was that one?
An adverb.